thought it would be interesting. I was looking kind of around YouTube earlier, and I started watching some videos on girls that have had weight loss surgery, anywhere from gastric bypass to having a lap band, even liposuction, things like that. I would like to say that these are things that I have never considered. However, I have considered getting weight loss surgery. At 220 pounds and 5'7". I'm carrying around a pretty dangerous amount of extra weight on my body. And I just wanted to get real with y'all for a second. I love following, having y'all follow me around and stuff, but since this is about a weight loss goal, this is something I've really considered for a long time, actually, about possibly getting weight loss surgery. And it's really scary. And let me just tell you, I don't know anyone personally that's ever had weight loss surgery, so I can't comment on actually seeing it. I've had friends and people I've been around that have lost crazy amounts of weight from diet and exercise, which is the way I'm trying to go. But after watching some of these videos of these girls that have had, especially the lap band surgery, that was kind of the one I was focusing on because I feel like it's less invasive than having your stomach actually cut off, like gastric bypass, even though I know it's faster. But I want to make a very big emphasis on this vlog. I am not losing weight just to get skinny. My goal, yes, I don't want to be fat on my wedding day, but I want to be healthy. I have a daughter, she's 10. I want to be around to see her get married. I want to be around to see my grandkids, all of those kind of things. So I want to be healthy at the end of this. I don't want to just be skinny, because you can get skinny and not be healthy. They don't go hand in hand. They're totally different things. And I feel like I don't want to come off to you as like, I'll do anything to get skinny. I don't care what it takes, because that's just not true. If that were true, I'd already be skinny, because there's plenty of pills you can take. There's different methods you can do. You can drink liquid for weeks and weeks, and all of a sudden you're tiny, and it's not healthy on your body. And that's why I emphasize buying fresh produce and buying organic and trying to get the crap out of my diet, so to speak. If you notice, I'm really trying not to eat really processed foods. Yes, of course, some things I eat are processed. I live in America. It's kind of hard. I'm going to try to wean myself off of those things, but eating constantly something that is not processed, right like that, when you're just starting, I think it's just going to totally ruin the whole thing for me. And it's hard for me going from eating like 4,500 calories a day to 1,500. I'm starving constantly. Like, I feel full right after I eat for like maybe an hour, and then I'm starving. Like, I'm absolutely, like, my stomach's growling, I'm cranky. Yeah, I'm hungry. And I know that's gonna take some getting used to. But I think that in regards to looking at girls that have gone through this lap band surgery and having it be something that I've considered and something, that I've really thought seriously about, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not even gonna consider it. And I'll tell you why. Because I watched probably 6 videos in 3 hours of girls on YouTube that are in love with it. They love it. They are so excited. They couldn't get happier about doing it. And then I watched about 40 different videos of girls that have had terrible experiences. I mean, almost lost their life kind of experiences. I'm sorry, being skinny is not worth it for me. Like, being thin is not worth losing my life. That's why, like I said, I'm really trying to emphasize losing the weight and being healthy at the end of it, because I want to set a good example for that little girl. I want to be the girl she wants to grow up to be, and I want her to look at me and go, man, my mom worked really hard for that. and she taught me along the way what I should and shouldn't do. And yeah, so I think for me, and I'm not saying, I really want to put that out there, I'm not saying it's like the chicken crap way out. Like, it's not, oh, you're chicken, you didn't feel like working hard and so you got weight loss surgery, because it's not easy. Watching these girls and what they have to eat and how they have to eat and when they can eat certain things and when they can't eat certain things, that would be a pain in my ass. I am not up for that. Like, it's hard enough for me to just eat the stuff that I'm supposed to eat on this meal plan that I'm on. Like, I can't even imagine trying to, like, I can only eat soft foods in the morning and I have to chew it this many times and blah, 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 blah. Oh, that would drive me nuts. I don't know about you, but, like, I would just go completely bat crap crazy trying to do that. That's too much for me to keep up with. Like, it's already hard enough. So, yeah, if you've had weight loss surgery, let me know down below in the comments section, because I don't know anybody that's had it. I don't know if they enjoy it or if they didn't enjoy it, but just watching these poor girls on YouTube that are like, you know, 3 years post-op and they've lost 200 pounds, that's awesome. But are you happy now just because you're skinny, or can you like never enjoy food anymore? Because personally, I love me some food. Like, I made my career out of it. I went to a culinary school. You know, I forked out 60 grand to go, and you know, obviously I love food, and I you know, I do it for a living. I'm a private chef. That's what I do. And so you know, I really, I don't want to get to the point where it's like, oh, I can't eat anything, I can't go out to eat, I can't enjoy it because I can only eat 2 tablespoons of food and then I'm throwing up. That's just, you know, that's not any good. And I don't want to start an eating disorder. I was bulimic in high school, and it's something that I just I don't ever want to put myself back into that position. So anyway, I know that this is kind of a long video, but I thought I would just kind of put it out there. I just kind of want to see what y'all think. So if you're watching this video, even if you don't normally comment, let me know below if you've had weight loss surgery, what you think about weight loss surgery. Would you do it if you were as overweight as I am? Do you think it's the easy way out? And also, like, what are your ideas on losing weight? What do you think are the best things to do? I'm never gonna say what's the easiest or the fastest, because I already know all that stuff, you know? I want to know, like, what would you do to lose weight? If you needed to lose 100 pounds, what would you do? So let me know below. Thanks for listening to me ramble on. We'll see you later. Bye.